The fourth chapter is floats, sinks and mixes. That is the name of the fourth chapter. No need to take any textbook or anything. Just keep one rough book only with you. Okay. Everybody keep rough book and pencil. Keep it ready for the classes. Okay. Every day. Every day. Not only for science period. For all the periods you have to keep one rough book and pencil box with you. Okay, Irene, please make the pose. Okay, mute your audio. Who is not muted? Helen, mute your audio. Fast, mute your audio. Somebody is unmute. So much sound. Mute your audio, please. Divyansh, mute your audio.
And today daily test will take, ma'am.
What you want? And Amna?
We'll take the daily test.
No. Today I will take the see this one new chapter. Okay, Divyansh, Divyansh, please unmute. Did you attend today for a sorry, English literature exam?
No, ma'am. Should only was the Divyansh was not the.
Okay. You noted down these whole things. Okay, so we can start our chapter, new chapter, that is floats, sinks and mixes. Mute your audio. Everybody mute your audio and listen here. Pay attention to the class. Everybody. Okay, here I want to show some things for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I have arranged something for here. See, can you see this? When I show this one, can you see
Yes,
this?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, vacant glass, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
here I am putting some water to it. Okay, water. I put some water, and here, see, see, you can don't
Salt.
yeah, don't think that is it a cooking
Salt.
class or not. Okay, here it is. I want to show you something. See, can you see this? Okay, it is salt. Okay, everybody listen here properly. Here it is salt. Bilsa. Okay, here 1 spoon of salt. I am putting it in one half glass of water. Okay, can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I am stirring it. Okay, I am stirring it. Okay, so I hope everybody can see this. Okay, after
Ma'am,
stirring,
we can see you.
you can see what you can see, Amna.
You are seeing.
Okay, stirring. Okay, I am stirring using this one, right? Okay. See, here I put this water and I think I will. Okay, can you see the salt in it? Can
No, ma'am.
anybody see salt in it?
Yes,
Before,
ma'am.
okay, yes, you can see
No,
it.
ma'am. No.
No, ma'am.
Water.
No, ma'am.
Anupama, what you want?
No.
Okay, what you want to tell, Anupama? Tell me.
Ma'am, the color of water changed.
Well, is it color change now?
Yes, ma'am.
No. So, can you see salt
No.
in it? Can
Yes,
you see
no,
salt in
ma'am.
it?
The color of water is changed.
1 minute. 1 minute. See, if you are together, if you are talking, I can't take the class. Okay. So, Anupama, can you see the before when I put it into water, you saw the salt. Am I right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you, Amna, when you change your name to Anupama, I am giving permission for Anupama to unmute and to tell. Okay, everybody listen it. See here, after putting it into water and after stirring, can you see the salt in it?
No, ma'am.
No, you can't see it, right? It disappears into the water. The salt disappears into the water. Am I right? See,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Anupama, mute your audio, mute your audio. Ashwin, mute your audio. Everybody, mute it. See, likewise, salt. Another thing, who can tell me, who can raise your hand, who can give me the name of other substance that can disappear into the water?
Ma'am.
Mute your audio, raise your hand. Okay, those who know the answer, raise your hand. Okay, Risin, tell me. What else you can? Sugar. Okay. Okay, mute your audio. Any other substance? Any other substance? 1 minute. Before saying the answer, you should raise your hand. I will allow them only. Okay, Ambrose, tell me. Tell me, Ambrose, what is the other thing? Unmute it and tell. Unmute it fast. I can't hear. I can't hear your voice. Please check your device. I will come back to you. So I am giving chance to Cheryl. Cheryl, please tell me.
Ma'am, the juice of the lime.
Okay, lime juice. Okay, lime juice. That is there. Any other thing? Is there any other thing? Anupama. Is there any other thing?
Ma'am, baking powder.
Tell me. This baking powder. Nowadays we are using baking soda, baking powder, all right. Baking soda is for washing the vegetables, that whole thing. Okay, baking powder we are using it for cakes. Okay, so baking powder, baking soda, these all are there. Is there any other answer? Raise your hand, Nerin. Okay, Nerin, tell me. Nerin. Syrup, sugar syrup. Okay, sugar syrup is there. And see healthy health drinks like Horlicks, Boost, instant coffee. These all can disappear into the water, right? Jellin, please mute your audio. I don't want to get it done. Okay, so there are so many substances that can disappear into the water. Okay, those substances we can call a special name that is called soluble substances. They are called soluble substances. Understood? They are called soluble. Let me try to write it. See who is keeping it unmuted? Keep it muted. Everybody, keep it muted. Okay, see, is soluble. Can you see this? Can you see the? Okay, can you see the writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, soluble. Okay, soluble substances are those which dissolves in water. Okay, soluble substances are those which can dissolve in water. And another thing, see, in the same water, I am putting some, see, what is this? I am going to, okay, I am going to put in it. Is it mixed? Is it disappears into the water?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not disappearing. That mute your audio, Jellin. See, that means when we put some substances, what you want, who is that one?
Ma'am, if we put more salt, it will not sink. It will float.
It will float. Okay. That we can discuss it later. Okay. Now, see, like salt. Like this stone or sand. When we put it in water, it will not disappear. We can see this. We can see the substance when we put it in the water. It will not disappear. Okay. So substances. There are some substances like sand, stone. Okay, Nerin, why you are keeping your hands up? You want to add some more substances which are not dissolving in water, which are not disappear. Wood. Okay, good. Wood.
Ma'am,
Then
chalk piece.
Chalk
Ma'am,
is
float.
chalk powder. Sorry,
Float.
sorry. Tell me. Somebody
Ma'am,
needs
which
to.
not, ma'am, which not disappears. Cloth.
Cloth. Okay, so there are some substances which will not disappear into water. They are called insoluble. Insoluble. So soluble already here it is there, right? Soluble already it is there. So insoluble. Insoluble. So insoluble. Can you see the word?
Yes,
Is it
yes.
clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So there are two types of substances. One which disappears into the water. They are called soluble substances. And one which will not disappear into water. They are called insoluble substances. Opposite. Okay, soluble's opposite is insoluble substances. Got it? Understood properly? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I want to share the one note. Okay. Everybody just understand. Faiz Muhammad, what you are doing there, Faiz? Sit properly. Okay, everybody keep it mute and listen. Watch what I am going to show you. Okay.
Ma'am, we can hear the sound.
Okay. Here, can you see a board here? 1 minute. Okay. Can you see a board here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, okay. Bilsa, Bilsa, Bilsa. Please read what is the heading of that one. Please read what it is written there. Unmute and tell. Unmute and tell. See, I can't hear your voice. Okay. So I will
Ma'am,
call
can
Amna.
I?
Amna.
Yes, ma'am.
Amna.
Yes, ma'am.
Read what it is written on the board.
Material.
Material. Some names of the materials it is given. And another one, solubility in
Solubility in
water.
water.
Okay.
Water.
Here we are saying about soluble and insoluble substances. Understood?
Yes,
Soluble
ma'am.
and insoluble substances. See, sugar. You can see from the table, sugar. Sugar is soluble. Salt is soluble. And Ambrose, what about sand? Unmute and tell me. Ambrose. See, Ambrose, now also audio is not proper. Irene, unmute and tell me. Irene. Okay. Okay, sand. What it is sand? What about sand? Is it soluble or insoluble?
Insoluble.
Okay, good. And what about chalk powder, Irene?
Insoluble.
Insoluble. Okay. So here I have given a lot of materials. Okay, which are soluble and which are insoluble. So next one. Say, can you see another board here? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Naren.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the heading of that knot?
Solubility.
Solubility. Okay. And so according to the solubility of water, we can divide the substances into soluble and insoluble. Okay. So and Leah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read what are soluble. Soluble. What it is written under the heading soluble. Read.
Substances that completely disappear or dissolve in water are soluble in water.
Okay. Cheryl, please once again read and Liam, mute your audio. Cheryl, please read it, Cheryl. What it is written under soluble.
Substances that completely disappear or dissolve in water are soluble in water.
Okay.
salt, sugar.
Sugar. Okay. Abel Austin, please read it. What are soluble substances? Read it fast.
Salt, sugar.
See that they are examples for soluble substances. My question is, what do you mean by soluble substances?
Substances that
Ah.
completely disappear or dissolve in water are soluble in water.
Soluble in water. Faiz Muhammad, please read it. What are soluble substances?
Soluble means substances that completely disappear or dissolve in the water are soluble in
Okay.
water.
Example.
Salt,
Ex
sugar.
Salt and sugar. Okay. So, I hope everybody understood what are soluble substances, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now we
Yes,
can,
ma'am.
no need to write down. Just write down the spelling of soluble substances. Soluble. That is the new word you had learned today. Okay, soluble. SOLUBLE. Write down in the rough book and write and study that word. Now we can see the second word. I will call in between somebody. Okay, so everybody be ready for it. Okay, I will call Helen. Helen. Okay, what it
Ma'am,
is
5
written?
times. Ma'am, 5
What it is?
times.
What it is written under insoluble? Helen.
Substances that not mix with water and do not disappear even after we stir for a long time.
Okay,
Sand,
substance.
oil.
Oil, sand, rock, wood, thermocol. So many examples are there, right? Okay, Sachin, read what are insoluble substances. Read it.
Substances that completely disappear or dissolve in the water are soluble in water.
Sorry. Read it. Insoluble substances. Read it properly, Sachin.
Substances that do not mix with water and do not disappear when after we
Stir. Even after we stir for long time. Okay, mute your audio. Devananda Panikar. Unmute your audio and read it. Devananda. Everybody mute it. Devananda. Read the sentence.
Ma'am.
Yes, Devananda. Unmute it and read.
Hello.
You can't. Okay, Rudra Krishna. Read it. Read it, unmute and read fast. Insoluble substances.
Substances that do not mix with water and do not disappear even after we
Stir.
stir for long time.
Example.
Sand, oil.
Okay. So these are the,
Ma'am, can I narrate?
sorry, okay. See, these are the 2 points that we had learned today. Okay, soluble and insoluble. See, another thing is there. See, when I put rock, this one, stone into water, it went down and settled down there. Am I right? Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
when I put sand also, Ambrose, sit properly. When I put sand also, it will go down. It will not mix with water. It will go down and settles down at the bottom of the glass. Okay. And what about if I am putting this rubber? Let me see. So that also it went down, right? Okay. Another thing. If I put a piece of paper, will it go down? Did you see it going down? No. It will float on the water. Okay. So there
Ma'am,
are some.
the paper floats on the water.
What you are saying, Amna? Say it clearly.
Ma'am, I didn't understand what paper floats in the water.
See, I will show you what you are doing at that time when I am showing it. Hmm? See, here I am keeping one piece of paper. Tissue paper is there with you. Did you see that? Did you see? Huh? I
Yes.
am putting it in the water. Say will it go down? No.
No.
For 1 minute it will float on the, it will be on the surface of the water, right? With a piece of
Ma'am, then
paper,
it will float.
thermocol, see sponge, a piece of papers, dry leaves, these all things float on the water. It will not sink.
Oil also, oil.
Oil also, oil, petrol, kerosene, butter, these all things will float on the water. It will not mixes with water.
Ma'am,
It will
because of
not,
the thing.
because see, so let me come to that all points. Okay, so there are some substances that will sink in water. Okay, there are some substances that will float on water. Floating means not going down on the surface. It is thermocol. Did you see thermocol? Will
Yes.
it go, okay, when we put thermocol on water, it will be on the surface of the water, at the top of the water. But when we put some keys, metal keys in water, it will go down, right? So there are some substances which will float on water and which will sink in water. Okay, so I am going to share that one also. Okay, please listen. Please see me. 1 minute. Okay, see. Can you see a board here? Can you see something on the? Okay, okay. I will call. Whom I will call? Let me see. Okay. Okay, Amna. Amna. What it is written on the board? What it is
Float
written?
or sink.
Float or sink. Substances
Object.
that, 1 minute, substances that will float on water or substances that will sink in water. Okay, read it. Read the sentence.
Object which and denser that water sink, whereas objects which are less denser than water will float on a water.
Okay,
Will
so
float.
mute your audio, please.
Is
Mute your
denser.
audio. Okay, see, I will call Issa Lijesh. Issa, unmute your audio.
Yes.
Fast. Yes, okay. So please read what you mean by float or sink. Read the first sentence.
Objects which are denser than water sinks, whereas
Stop it. Objects which are denser than water sinks. Means like metal keys, otherwise rocks, stone, sand. They have the weight more than the water. So
art is meaning denser.
denser means the, and then now you understand that it is weighing more than water. Okay, it is weighing more than water. So substances which are objects which are weighing, which have the weight more than water will sink into the water. And objects which are not do not have more weight than the water, it will float on it. For example, thermocol, then
Ma'am,
dry leaves, paper, these all things. Okay, so read, Issa, please read the examples also fast.
Float in water, plastic bottle, rubber ball, a paper boat, leaves, twigs, balloon, oil. Sink
Okay, these all things will float in water. Okay, sinks. Yes, tell me.
in water, sand,
Okay.
stone, coins.
Sand,
ma'am,
stone, coins, metal pieces, these all things. Okay, I will call one more student. Neha, please read the sentence fast.
Ma'am,
Fast.
float in water.
Okay, read it fast. Objects
Plastic
which are sentences.
objects which are denser than water sink, whereas objects which are less denser than water float on water.
Okay, got it? Now I will call Ritul Biju. Please read the sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it fast. Read it fast. Read it. Unmute and read fast. Ritul,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
read it.
Objects which are denser than water sink, were there as objects which are less denser than water will float on the water.
Okay, okay. So read the examples also. Float in water, sink in
Float in
water.
water,
Ah,
plastic bottle,
mm,
rubber ball,
okay,
a paper boat,
okay,
leaves,
okay, okay,
drinks,
okay.
balloon,
Mm,
oil,
mm,
sink in water,
okay,
sand, stone,
okay.
and coin.
Okay, okay. These are the examples, right? Okay. So now I am going to stop sharing. Uh, see, in the examples, when I put some, see here, some paper pieces are there. Let me take it. Okay. Here I told I am going to put some salt in water, right? Salt. See, this salt, sugar, glucose, or any other health drinks, instant coffee, which all mixes with water, we can call it as Ambrose. Where are you? What you are doing there? See, these substance we can call it as solute. Am I right? The substances which dissolve in water. The substances which dissolves in water are called solute. So sugar is a solute. Got it? Salt is a solute. Coffee, instant coffee powder, glucose. These all things are
I'm also
called
taking
solute. Okay, solute. So the substances which dissolve in water. The substances which dissolve in water are called solute. Got it? Hmm? See, another one, the substance, the water which dissolves this solute, right? Water is the one which dissolves all things. So this water, we can call it as solvent. Okay? The water, the substance which dissolves everything, that is called solvent. When the salt dissolves in water, we will get a solution. We will get a solution. So, is there any solution in my hand?
Yes.
Yes. So, what is the name of the substance which dissolves, means example, salt. What is the word which I use? Solute. Okay.
Solute.
The word which is used to refer the substance which are dissolving in water are called solute. So this is the solute. Okay. So water, what we can call water?
Ma'am, excuse me,
Solvent.
ma'am.
What we can call water? Solvent. Solvent. Okay. So, and the solution and the thing after the solute mixes with the water, we can call it as solution. Okay, so next class I will be continuing with the same portion. So I think it is now the
And
time.
next, ma'am, next class, can you give example of sugar?
Sorry, what do you want?
Next class like this, can you show the sugar?
Okay, okay. So let me.
Ma'am?
Yes, who wants to talk? Cheryl,
Ma'am.
what do you want?
Ma'am, can I say one point?
Oh yes, sure. You surely you can tell me.
Water is also known as the universal solvent.
Solvent. Okay, very good, very good. Why it is, we will explain it in
Ma'am,
the
can
next.
I
One
leave,
more
ma'am?
period is there, right? One more
Yes,
period is
ma'am.
there.
Can I leave, ma'am? My sister has class.
See, now I am going to wind up the class. Now time it is over. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.